Episode title: Unlocking the Power of Machine Learning. Definition, Importance, and Real-World Uses. Intro. 0-100 to 0-30. Upbeat background music starts playing. The host appears on screen with a friendly smile. Host: Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of computer science and technology. Today, we are going to explore one of the most exciting and rapidly growing fields: machine learning. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious about the future of AI, this episode is for you. Let's get started. Quote: What is machine learning? 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Simple animations and visuals illustrate the concept. Host: So, what is machine learning? In simple terms, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from data, make decisions, and improve their performance over time. Machine learning involves feeding data into algorithms, which then identify patterns, relationships, and insights. The algorithms learn from the data and improve their predictions or decisions. Importance of machine learning. 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Visuals and examples illustrate the importance of machine learning. Host: Machine learning is crucial in today's digital age. It has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and customer service. Some of the key benefits of machine learning include: improved accuracy and efficiency. Enhanced decision-making capabilities. Increased automation. Better customer experiences. Real-world uses of machine learning. 10 o'clock to 1500. Examples illustrate real-world applications of machine learning. Host: Let's take a look at some real-world examples of machine learning in action. Image recognition. Facebook uses machine learning to recognize and tag faces in photos. Natural language processing. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use machine learning to understand voice commands and respond accordingly. Predictive maintenance. Companies like General Electric use machine learning to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance. Python example 1, linear regression. 1500 to 1800. Host: Let's explore a simple example of machine learning using Python. We'll use linear regression to predict house prices based on features like number of bedrooms and square footage. Python. Import necessary libraries. Import NumPy is NP. From sklearn, linear_model import linear regression. From sklearn, model_selection import train_test_split. Generate some sample data. X equals NP, array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reshape. -1, 1. Y equals NP, array. 2, 4, 5, 4, 5. Split the data into training and testing sets. X_train, X_test, Y_train, Y_test equals train_test_split. X, Y, test_size equals 0.2. Random_state equals 42. Create a linear regression model. Model equals linear regression. Train the model. Model.fit. X_train. Y_train. Make predictions. Predictions equals model. Predict. X_test. Print. Predictions. Python example 2. Decision trees. 1800 to 2000. Host: Next, let's see an example of decision trees in action. We'll use the iris dataset to classify flowers based on their characteristics. Python. Import necessary libraries. From sklearn, tree import decision tree classifier. From sklearn, model_selection import train_test_split. From sklearn, datasets import load_iris. From sklearn, metrics import accuracy_score. Load the iris dataset. Iris equals load_iris. X equals iris, data. 2, 3. Y equals iris, target. Split the data into training and testing sets. X_train, X_test, Y_train, Y_test equals train_test_split. X, Y, test_size equals 0.2. Random_state equals 42. Create a decision tree model. Model equals decision tree classifier. Train the model. Model.fit. X_train. Y_train. Make predictions. Predictions equals model. Predict. X_test. Print. Accuracy_score. Y_test. Predictions. Conclusion. 2000 to 2130. Outro music starts playing, and the host appears on screen with a friendly smile. Host. And that's a wrap. Machine learning is an exciting field with numerous applications across various industries. From image recognition to predictive maintenance, machine learning is transforming the way we live and work. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more episodes on machine learning and other tech-related topics. Quote. Outro music continues to play as the video ends.